Hey guys, welcome back to Spoken English Adda. Today in this video, I am going to tell you some smart English phrases that you can use in your daily conversations. Let's get started with the first phrase. So number one is to eat one's words. It means to take back what one said. For an example, you can say, she said he would never win the match, but she had to eat her words. She said he would never win the match, but she had to eat her words. Number two is to make a splash. It means to attract a lot of attention in an exciting way. For an example, you can say he made a splash in the meeting when his phone started ringing. He made a splash in the meeting when his phone started ringing. Number three is to be on the safe side. It's very common phrase and you must know it. It means to be careful in order to avoid something unpleasant. I'm sure it won't rain, but I will take umbrella to be on the safe side. I know it won't rain, but I'll take umbrella to be on the safe side. Or you can say, we recorded a video of the incident to be on the safe side. We recorded a video of the incident to be on the safe side. Next, to go down the drain. To go down the drain means to be completely wasted. To be completely wasted. All of his efforts went down the drain when office caught fire. All of his efforts went down the drain when office caught fire. Next, to be a peach. To be a peach means someone or something that is extremely good, impressive and attractive. For an example, you can say, being a peach of a man, he lent me his car for this weekend. Being a peach of a man, he lent me his car for this weekend. So guys, these were some phrases to boost your English speaking skills. And I hope that you would definitely use these phrases in your conversations. If you like these phrases, please do like this video and comment in the comment section to let us know that how was this video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing.